A gillnet is a type of fishing net used primarily in commercial fishing to catch fish by entangling their gills. The net is constructed from a strong, thin mesh that is set vertically in the water, with floats attached along the top edge and weights along the bottom. This creates a wall-like structure that fish swim into. The mesh size is designed to allow fish to get their heads through but not their bodies, thus trapping them by their gills as they try to back out. Gill nets are known for their efficiency and ability to catch a wide variety of fish species. Fishing with a gill net involves several key steps to ensure effective fishing. Here's a detailed description. To deploy the gill net, fishermen will anchoring the bottom edge of the gill net with weights and attach floats along the top edge to keep the net vertical in the water. The net can be set at different depths depending on the target species. Before setting the gill net, the fisherman must set the position of the gill net in areas where the target fish are known to swim, such as migration paths, feeding grounds, or near structures like reefs. Fish viewed at the surface is a sign that there is a lot of fish beneath the surface, and it is the best place to deploy the gill net. After a while under the surface, fishermen carefully pull the gill net back onto the boat, ensuring the fish remain entangled. Avoid jerking or sudden movements to prevent damage to the fish. While pull the gill net, they also disentangle the fish from the net. They will handle the fish with care to maintain their quality, especially if they are intended for commercial use. Gill nets are fishing nets that are designed to catch fish by entangling them in the mesh. These nets are efficient in targeting specific species and sizes of fish based on the mesh size. Different species of fish are caught by gill nets depending on the fishing location and the size of the mesh. Some common species caught by gill net are salmon, cod, mackerel, herring, and even apex predators like wahoo or tuna. There are many ways fish can get caught by gill nets. First, gilling fish swim into the net and their gills get caught in the mesh openings. As they try to back out, the netting catches on their gill covers, trapping them. And then, wedging. Fish get stuck in the net when their body becomes wedged in the mesh. The net's mesh size is just the right size to catch the fish around their middle, preventing them from swimming through or backing out. Next, hanging fish become entangled in the net by their fins, scales, or other body parts. The net twists around these features, making it difficult for the fish to free themselves. This video shows how a group of fishermen caught an extraordinary amount of wahoo or king mackerel fish. Wahoos are long, sleek fish with a metallic blue back and silver sides, often marked with vertical blue stripes. They can grow up to 8 feet, 2.5 meters, in length and weigh up to 100 pounds, 45 kilograms. Wahoos are found in tropical and subtropical waters around the world, often near the surface in open ocean areas. They are predatory fish, feeding on other smaller fish and squid. Wahoos are among the fastest fish in the ocean, capable of reaching speeds up to 60 miles per hour, 97 kilometers per hour. They are highly prized by sport fishermen due to their speed and fighting ability when hooked. When a wahoo is caught by a gill net, here's how it typically happens. 1. The wahoo swims into the gill net, and the mesh openings catch on its gill covers as it tries to back out. This makes it difficult for the fish to free itself. 2. The wahoo's body gets wedged in the mesh. Given its sleek, elongated body, the netting can catch it around the middle, preventing it from moving forward or backward. 3. The wahoo becomes entangled when its fins or scales get caught in the net. The net twists around these parts, making it nearly impossible for the fish to escape. Gill nets can be particularly effective for catching wahoo due to the fish's size and swimming patterns. However, like all fishing methods, using gill nets responsibly is important to minimize bycatch of non-target species and maintain a sustainable fishery. Bycatch refers to the unintentional capture of non-target species while fishing. This includes fish, marine mammals, birds, and other marine life that are not the intended catch. Bycatch can have significant ecological, economic, and ethical implications. Bycatch can lead to the decline of non-target species, some of which may be endangered or vulnerable. This can disrupt marine ecosystems and biodiversity. Certain fishing methods that result in bycatch, such as trawling, can also damage marine habitats like coral reefs and seabeds. Bycatch represents a loss of potential food resources. Many of the captured non-target species are discarded, leading to waste. Meanwhile, sustainable fisheries aim to meet the current demand for seafood without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. This involves responsible management practices that ensure the health and productivity of fish populations and marine ecosystems. The key principles of sustainable fisheries are implementing catch limits and quotas to prevent overfishing and ensure fish populations can replenish. Relying on scientific data to make informed decisions about fishing practices and stock management. Designating specific areas where fishing is restricted or prohibited to protect habitats and biodiversity. And efforts to restore damaged marine ecosystems, such as coral reefs and seagrass beds, to support fish populations.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.